Last year, we launched the smallest 65-watt charger in the world. And this is what happened.
To give you an idea of how insane that is, this is 65 watts. This?
People loved it. But there was one thing they kept asking.
Please make it 100 watt! 100 watt! 100 watt! 100 watt!
So, we did it? Oh, okay. Let's do it.
This took us over a year of development, obsessing over every detail. But in the end, it all comes down to one thing: our GaN chipset and custom architecture.
That's why it's the smallest 100-watt charger you can find. Now, what can you charge with this 100-watt pocket-style charger?
Smartphone, laptops and tablets, content creator stuff, gaming devices,
and yes, actual vehicles charged from this. More devices paired with the InCharge Live 2-in-1 cable. One charger, one cable, and you are set. 100 watts. Charges everything from your phone to your e-bike. The smallest in the world. So you can always pack light.